Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to freeze your Barclays bank debit card in 2025. Whether you've lost your card, suspect fraudulent activity, or just want an extra layer of security, freezing it is a quick and effective way to protect your funds. Let's jump right in. First off, why should you freeze your card? It's a simple feature that instantly blocks all transactions, preventing unauthorized purchases while keeping your account intact. This is especially useful in 2025 with the rise of digital threats, so it's a must-know for any Barclays customer. To get started, make sure you have the Barclays mobile app installed on your smartphone. If not, head to your app store and download it. It's free and user-friendly. Once that's done, follow these steps. Step 1. Open the app and log in using your username, password, and any two-factor authentication required. Security first, right? Step 2. Navigate to the Accounts, or Cards, section in the main menu. It's usually front and center for easy access. Step 3. Select your debit card from the list. If you have multiple cards, double-check you're choosing the right one. Step 4. Look for the Freeze Card option. It might be a toggle switch or a dedicated button. Tap on it to initiate the process. Step 5. Confirm the action. The app will likely prompt you for additional verification, like your PIN or a one-time code sent to your phone. Once confirmed, your card is frozen immediately. If you prefer not to use the app, you can log into your Barclays online banking portal on a computer and follow similar steps, or call customer service at their 24/7 line for assistance. Remember, freezing your card doesn't close your account or affect your balance, it's just a temporary pause on transactions. And there you have it. You're now equipped to handle this like a pro. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and thanks for watching.